Hey, welcome my YouTube friends, and today I want to share with you my December daily for 2025 that I made, and I made it just kind of like a mini album. You can pick up the tutorial right now until November 30th of 2025. I will have all my tutorials inside my shop 50% off. Okay, so right now you can grab this tutorial for $5. It's regular $9.99, but right now for $5. If you go to down below where it says more information, click on that, and I will put the link to my shop where you can go purchase this tutorial. Okay, so I made it just like a mini album. Okay, it has chipboard covers. Here's the spine of the album, and I'm not done. I want to put some charms on here. I've got to get some paper, but I got to untie all this and then put my paper on it. And there's the back of it. And there's what it, oops, looks like. So I just collaged the front up. And here's this, the inside of the front cover. Again, I just collaged it up. And I used the Yuletide collection from Simple Stories to decorate this. I just had 8 sheets of paper, and then the basic kit, and then the ephemera pieces, and then I used a pack of Tim Holtz 2023 Noel ephemera pack to embellish this. And I did use my coffee dyed papers. I used them as photo mats in this album. So you open this here, jingle all the way. And this is my coffee dyed paper, and I done this for Christmas past so I can write about the past Christmases that we've had. It just fits in that pocket. This is completely made out of file folders, black file folders. Okay, so this opens up, and then you have a little tuck pocket there and places for photographs. I just love the coffee dyed paper, and I do use 24-pound copy paper to create this. And then we have a little pocket here. This is day 2. And these are just some photo mats. I just slide back down in this pocket. So yeah, who doesn't love a December daily project? I've never done one as a mini album. I've always done them as a binder album. So here's day 3, and we have a pocket here. Oh, this is going to be so much fun. And then you have a little tuck spot here. And this is day 4. And this is the tags. These are what are tied into our album. And I use coffee dyed paper inside the tag. Okay. And I got to get all my ribbon up here yet. My ribbon and my twine. So that opens up for day 5. And then day 6, and that opens up. Ah, it's such a beautiful album. Very different. Very different. And then this has a little tuck spot here. And then that flips open. Then that flips open. Day 8. And each page has a pocket. So you have added room. So let's say day 9 you had a lot of photographs. You could put stuff inside the pockets as well. So each page has a pocket, and there are 6 pages in here. And you have that, and I just collaged that up. Here's day 11, and you have some tags inside of here. I hope you enjoyed this album. You have to let me know what you think about this, because it is very different with the coffee dyed for the photo mats, and it's inside a mini album, because usually I do it as a binder album, but I wanted to do something different this year. But you can make it anything you want. I do have another I did make another one that doesn't have this whole inch. So you have a whole inch here for your tags. So I made one out of the same tutorial, but it doesn't have that inch, and I'm decorating it with fall. So you can make this album and omit these tags. You don't have to have these tags in here, and I do give you the measurements inside the tutorial for that. But don't forget, my materials are all 50% off right now. This one here, I didn't use coffee dyed paper, and I just decorated it up with the paper. So then that flips. Then you have a little belly band here. Oh, so cute. Then that flips. Letters to Santa. It's hard to believe Christmas is already here. It's crazy. So that flips down. And then this flips up. And then you have a little tuck pocket here. Again, this is all made out of black file folders. Except for the tags, I made those out of cardstock. And that opens. So I can journal my memories here. I can put photographs on this. And I did use 24-pound copy paper. So cute. And then again, this one flips down. And then this one flips up. Oh, so cute. Then here, we have a pocket here. And it's a flip. It's a day 19. And these just fit here in this pocket. And then again, here's one of our tags. And then that flips open. So lots and lots of room for photographs. So then you have a pocket here. Oh, just beautiful. And I just kind of collaged that up. And then you have a little belly band here. And those just fit right inside there. Oh, this is going to be so fun putting my memories in this. And here is Christmas Day. And then that flips. Then that flips open. Then you have a pocket again here. Here I create a little tuck spot. So you have tuck here. And you have a little tuck space here. Then that flips open. Here's day 26. My lettering went all the way to the 31st, New Year's Eve. I was debating on if I wanted to do, the Thanksgiving part or, through New Year's Eve. And I chose to go through New Year's Eve because I had 31 numbers. So here you have a little tuck spot. And that flips. Here you have a little tuck spot for day 28. And that flips up. And just stays right there. Then you have a little pocket here. Then here is the rest of my days. So 29. And then we got the 31st, New Year's Eve. So that is my December daily project. Like I said, I do have a tutorial for it if you would like to purchase. And you get the cutting guide and the written instructions and then the process videos of how to construct this album. Okay. So please let me know what you think about this down below. Don't forget, go to my website, scrappingitupdesigns.com. You can grab your tutorial. All my tutorials are 50% off. Okay, so go grab you some tutorials. And that ends November the 30th at midnight. All right. All right, that's all I have for you. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this, and we'll be seeing you in the next video. As always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.